This is going to be easy and this is going to be fun. If you are a contractor, a home remodeler, or in the construction business and you need a website, I'm going to show you how you can make the most affordable and most beautiful website in 30 minutes or less, even if you have zero technical or design knowledge. All you're going to do is go to getsimple.com. This is a website builder that's made for small and local businesses specifically, and you'll see why it is the absolute best choice for those types of businesses. Click on templates, and then you're going to be able to see all of the different pre-made templates that are available. I'm going to go ahead and type in construction, and there are a few that come up that are really well designed for this specific purpose. This one, for example, we can preview this template, and then you can see that this has all of the important sections that you need, and these are the things that get you ranked in Google search and get people to find your local business. And so we're going to start with this template. You do, that template will be preloaded in here, and then you just have to fill in two fields. Name your website. We're going to call this Home Creations, and then you're going to type in a short description. Now, there's an AI assistant that helps you write the copy for your site. So you want to give this area as much information as you can about the type of business that you have. Okay, so I have something here, and it just describes that we do new builds and renovations, custom designs, etc. Now click Create Site. Your template will be loaded up into the editor with all of this demo content, and all you need to do is replace it with your own. There are the page sections, so you can click on that at the top and see all of the page sections that are already added to this demo, and then you can add new sections. So maybe you want to embed a form for inquiry. We'll click that, and then that form section gets added. And now you can embed a Google form just by clicking here and adding in your Google form embed code. Plenty of other sections as well, such as a calendar, for example. So if you want to have people schedule an appointment, you can embed your Google Calendar scheduler here, and then they can select an appointment time, all by just copying and pasting the embed code from Google Calendar. So there are lots of integrations like this, as well as custom sections. And you'll see those here, such as testimonials, a map, and things like your price list and your services. Now, you can also change the design of this with a few clicks. So click on design, and you can actually change the style or the theme. So we have three main base themes here. And when you click that, it gives you a completely different look to the same content. And you can switch back and forth between these and change it at any time you like. It won't affect your content at all. It just gives it a new style. Here is also where you can upload your logo, and you can change the color palette. Now, these color palettes are accessible. You don't have to worry about lawsuits for your website being inaccessible. You can change button colors globally here. You can change the fonts. Same thing, these are accessible font pairings that have been chosen to look really good together. So you'll have your main header font, and then you'll have your body font, and they're different pairs here. So you can change the look of this any way that you want to. You can also change the style of the buttons. You can make them totally round if you wanted to, and play around with other things like that. Okay, save those. And then finally, there are the settings. So here's where you can change the description that you added earlier, and you can set up your domain name. So whether you already purchased a domain name from somewhere else and you want to connect it here, you can do that. You can also use a free domain name that Siimple offers, or you can purchase one directly through Siimple and have it automatically connected to your website with just a click. So once you've set up your domain name, you can add your email address, and this email address is where you'll receive form submissions whenever visitors come here and fill in your contact form. Next, you can fill in some SEO things like your title and description and your image. And you can also connect any of these analytic platforms so that you can view the analytics on your website, see who visits, and things like that. So that's it. Now you just go section by section and replace your content. There are also slightly different layouts for each of these sections. So when you hover over a section, you can click Restyle, and it will change that layout for you. I'm going to go back to our original theme called Cards, and I'm going to save that. Now I can come up here and click Edit Header Section. This gives me all of the fields to change the things that you see here, whether it's the headline, the pre-headline, or the description, or the copy on the button. Now, let's say that I wanted to change this image. I can click replace, and I have two options. I can upload a photo that I've taken myself that's on my computer, or I can choose from a huge library of stock photos. So let's say that I type in home, and let's say that I like this one. Let's use that photo. Great, that looks really nice. And let's say that I want to change this to home creations. Type in the name of your business, it changes that easily. And then you just go section by section, changing images, adding subtitles. You can change this to an icon if you'd prefer. You can have no image at all and just have text, or you can change the image like we did before. Here is a very important section for contractors and construction businesses. You can add in your services, and there's an area to add in the title, a long description, a price, even tags. So this could be renovations, for example. And then you can add things like a calendar or external links. So if we save that and we click on more details, you can see all of the long description that you've added there. And this is truncated so that everything is nice and uniform and it doesn't break the layout, and it makes it really easy and scannable for people so that visitors know exactly what your services are. Same thing with the FAQs section. Just click on Edit FAQs and then add in your questions and your answers. Each section is just that easy to customize. And if you want to reorganize sections, go back up to the Sections tab and then click and hold on these two lines on the left of any section and just drag them to reorder them. Really easy. Now the About section is above the FAQ section, and we can save that. If you want to delete any of these sections, let's say you don't need a form anymore, just click the delete button on that. And if you want to edit any of them and be taken right to it, just click on it and it will scroll you to that section so that you can then click on the edit button to access those fields. Now, all of this is done absolutely for free. All of the building, trying out every single feature, nothing is locked behind a paywall. You can use it all and make sure that Siimple is right for you. And then when you're ready, you can preview your site. This is exactly what it will look like when it's published to the web. And you can share it with other people to get feedback if you'd like to first as well, by using the share link here at the top. Once you have your site exactly the way you like it, just click on the Publish button. When you click Publish Now, you'll see that we have a very simple subscription plan. You either pay $10 a month, and this includes absolutely everything from web hosting, the AI features, your contact forms, mobile editing, search engine optimization, version history. You can save $2 a month and pay upfront for the year. And this is what most people like to do because it's only $96 per year, and you can cancel at any time. Once you do that, click subscribe now. You'll be taken to the payment processor and you can begin sharing your site live. And if you're still working on a section, like maybe you haven't had time to write your entire about paragraph yet, then just hide that section for now and publish it. This will make sure that that section isn't available to visitors of the site, but you can continue working on that privately. And when you're done, just unhide it and click publish again, and that will then be visible. If you have any questions at all, Siimple's live chat support is available pretty much 24/7, and you can usually get a hold of someone within a few minutes. So just click there, send a message, and one of us will be on the other side to answer. So go ahead and give Siimple a try and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.